today's video is regarding Canon Pixma TS3327 all-in-one printer. So this is a wireless printer which we can use for wireless printing and scanning, and it has three functions like print, copy and scan. And we can use this printer with our Android device, iPhone, MacBook or laptop. And I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup. The next thing is to switch on the printer. So press the power button and wait for the printer to switch it on. Now open the rear paper tray, and here we can place the A4 size sheets. So just have to simply install the sheets here. Here we get the starter ink cartridges. So just take the ink cartridges out and remove the orange seal from them. Next thing is to install the starter ink cartridges. So you just have to take them out of the plastic packaging. Now go to the ink cartridge chamber, so which is here. So ink cartridge chamber door is just inside, so you just have to place the hand and push it out. Now to install, as you can see, the black will go to the black side, so just slide it in and push it in, it will lock there. Now place the color ink cartridge, slide it in and push it in, it will lock. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Also open the paper output tray. Now go to your device, for example Android 4 or iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup. So we are going to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. So first thing is to go and open the Canon Print app, and you can download this app from the App Store. Open the Canon Print app and it will ask you, do you want to search for available printers, and click on yes. In case you don't get this message, you will see the printer icon, you have to click on that and it will search for the available printers here. You might get a message, printer could not be found, so click OK. And if you don't see that, just click on the printer cannot be found. On the next screen you see auto connection, that is recommended, so click on that and it will ask, does your printer has button like this? Yes, we have, and we have to press and hold the button for 3 seconds and then click on the next button. So here we can see there is a button like that. We have to press and hold this phone button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now release it, click it, confirm that we have pressed it, and click on the next button. Now it will search for the available printers again. Click OK. Now it's saying to go to the Wi-Fi setup of your iPhone, so we just go here. So open the Wi-Fi and here it will display the Canon print here, so that is Canon IZ TS3300 series. Click on that and it will connect with the printer. So once it is connected, we go back and open the Canon Print app again so that we can go ahead. And now click OK as we have done it. So here we can see our printer is added and we are ready to use it. Now we get the option to print the photos, otherwise you can click on the cancel button and click OK. And we have option for wireless printing and scanning. For example, I'm going to show you how to do the scanning. So this is the scan button here, so click on that. Now open the top scanner lid here and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid, click on the scan button and click OK. So here we can see it has transferred the page. The scan is successful, and if you want you can add more copies or you can exit from here and go back to the main screen, and here you can choose for wireless printing as well, and this way we can do the wireless setup of this printer so that we can do the wireless printing, scanning Thanks for watching.